backing up and restoring a file. So we're going to open up File System, then we're going to do Default Backup Set, and we're going to specify our well, we've already specified it. Okay, so yeah, we're going to specify it. We'll just back up, right? So, oh yeah, I remember a couple episodes ago we did that. That's what we did. So we're going to do content, filter, storage policy, good. We're going to turn it off. That's off. Duplication's off. Security, right? Okay, good. So, and another thing I want to add, right, is the paths to make sure it's W, doing everything here, right? Storage device, we already went over that a little bit. Backup, security, active control, activity control, rather. Okay. Okay, we're going to push OK. Okay. So the next thing is to do to create a schedule policy for it. Schedule policy, so right click, new schedule policy. Right, so we're going to add a schedule. We're actually going to add a full and a incremental. So add. Okay, click full. So what we got? We got 9 p.m., 10 p.m., we'll go 11 p.m. on this one. And that will be a weekly. So uncheck all these on a Friday, let's say. So Friday, we'll go this one, we'll go full. We'll designate it as a full. So Windows full is the schedule name. No exemptions, all is well. Push OK. Push full, right? Schedule pattern. That's weird. That's a weird one. Okay, yeah. So the next one is to add an incremental or differential. Incremental in our case, actually. So click on add. On the new schedule policy, we'll click incremental. Looks like I have duplicate windows there. Incremental. And schedule policy, we'll do weekly. We'll do Windows incremental. What do we say? 11 p.m. I think it was 11 p.m. We'll do every day but Friday, actually. So that's our incremental. And we'll push OK out of that. So we see it. Good. Awesome. So our clients are set up, our schedule policy set up. So now it's up to us just to run the full. Run a full, run a backup, and restore. Okay, so first things first, right click on the schedule policy on Windows, go run immediately, choose the Windows full, click OK, and go to our job controller, tab, and watch it go. So the beauty of this is that we can actually go to the file itself, the backup file where it's backing up to, and we can actually see what it's putting in there. So it's on the C drive, it's under backup and restore, and here's what it looks like. So we're at backup and restore. That's the name, or that's the path of the actual repository or storage policy, basically, that it's backing up to. Click on that. So you see that it's started, or that was at what? That was today earlier, 11:30 p.m. So we see some of it. Okay, 2:30. Anything current right now? Let's see. 2:30 a.m. on the 13th. Nothing going on right now. Yeah, so I wanted to show you. This is a previous, right? So this is what it looks like. If you know your backup, your actual backup file, this is what it looks like right here. That's exactly what it looks like, and you can open it. Although I've never actually opened it, a file here, but here's the size. It's almost like a, it doesn't work the same way as other software programs where they'll back it up and it's actually like data, like Veeam. I think, is it Veeam? Yeah, I believe Veeam. When you back up like a VM, right, it'll back up the VMDK, so you actually see the VMDK. And Commvault doesn't do that. They back up chunks of data. So I was so the phases it goes to when it backs up, if it does a scan phase, that's the first thing. I'm scanning. I want to make sure everything's good. Do I have everything right? That's good. So there you go. That's what. Yeah, 100%. No errors. Nothing. None of that stuff. Progress. Let's see. Attempts. So would have seen an error in the backup here, and I didn't. That's awesome. So I'm on my desktop, which I backed up, right? I'm gonna click on, I'm gonna delete login. I'm gonna delete servers. I'm gonna delete this one, this install, and this two. Delete them all. Why not? They're done. I don't have access to them anymore. Say levy. So now I need to restore them back though. So I'm back to CommServe. I click on the file system. I click on the default backup set. I browse and restore the files I'm going to restore. And it's going to do latest backup. Click on view contents. Okay, so we can, the good thing about this, we can scroll down. We can see all the different things it's backed up. That's the cool part about this. Going right, if we click on desktop, it's going to show us all these files that I deleted. So I think I deleted these 4, I think, right? Yeah, so let's do recover all selected. We're going to do, let's do here, let's see, so restore, yeah, I'm just going to restore both data and ACL. I'm going to override files, unconditional write, doesn't matter what it is. Choose my media agent, or my destination client, excuse me. Restore to the same folder, or I could do a different path. I could restore it somewhere else. Put it in the same folder actually. Okay. And no need to impersonate user for that. And click on advanced and choose our library, media path. It's the same paths, filters that you so this is what it's going to modify actually, these right here, these items. So we're going to just click OK for that, and we're going to just run OK. So it's going to run, it's going to restore those jobs to the desktop. So let's go to my desktop and kind of see it real time as it works. So here's the job running, right? And you can see nothing's happening right now. No streams are going. But you see, just so instant, right? The files are there, just like that. That's how quick it is sometimes. Not all the time, but when it works well. But it doesn't always work all the time. That's henceforth why you're a Commvault admin. That's why you're actually in demand.